y'all. He wired us up a radio, AM, FM. Turn it up, Smo, you don't see. Show them what you do. How you dance that? What's going on, James? What's going on, Lemon? What's going on, Patrick? She's coming down. She's on the ground. Where is it now? Oh, you get ready to dance. Oh man, that's a torque wrench. What you gonna do with that? We get down a little bit so I can torque the wheels. Yeah. We're getting ready to leave Vegas, y'all. We might have to call Daryl. If we don't make it halfway, we're gonna call you, Daryl. It'll ring. He put us air conditioning on that. We had to get us air conditioning on this old Dodge before we left. We good to go. I ain't got no PVC valve no more, do I? No. They got me a breather. All right, y'all. We getting ready to. This is our last night in Vegas. Then we headed to Power Sport Motor House. What is it?
Powerhouse Motorsports in Fountain, Florida.
Fountain, Florida.
March 19th and 20th.
March 19th and 20th, y'all. We're going to be in Florida. Right there close to Pensacola. We're going to drive this old Dodge. We're going to drive into Memphis. Then we're bringing out Zip Tie. Dougie Johnson got a $1,000 race each time he want to race. We're going to have Zip Tie with the Hummingbird, Old Heavy, Kaiser Blade. Precious might be driving this right here. She got her that's a black S10 Donk. We might put Precious in it. Turn the headlights off. Can't run the battery y'all. We getting ready to leave Vegas, y'all. I done some horse trading on some old rims and got them, but they won't fit. And I had to drive back to Memphis with them old rims on there. Queen, can you drive that thing to Memphis, you think?
Oh, I can drive it.
All right. We leaving Vegas, y'all. We done doing the little thing out here. We headed to
home, Memphis.
Then we're going to be in Florida. When?
March 19th and 20th.
March 19th and 20th, y'all. It's going to be Small Tire Friday night.
Actually, Thursday's testing, and then, which is the 18th, and Friday's going to be small tire.
$200 enter. Everybody welcome. Everybody can get in. $10,000 guarantee.
Saturday, the 20th, is going to be big tire.
Big tire. $10,000 guarantee. Anybody can get in. Uh-oh, he said he's bringing a typhoon.
I keep forgetting about that. What kind of Mustang that does a little dirty coffee truck?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Look at that. Memphis Street Outlaws, y'all.
All right.
Cisco show.
While we was out here doing some filming, they hooked the old Dodge up for me. I don't know what it is. It's something. It's a crossbreed something. I got one of them old bum carburetors.
Old man knows him.
I talk bad enough to him. He got to do it right.
What about this stuff, girl?
All right, y'all. We're going to jump off here. We're getting ready to get in this thing. Queen, back it out. You got a long ride to Memphis.
All right.
Queen, driving this thing to Memphis. You going to drive it out there to Florida?
I might.
All the way to Florida.
Let them shut your trunk. Here we come. Dougie Johnson, you better get ready. We're going to own Power Motorsports or whatever it's called. What's the name of that place where we're going to beat him out of?
Huh?
What's the name of Ducky place we're going to beat him out of?
Powerhouse Motorsports.
Powerhouse Motorsports. We're gonna win the whole damn place from you when we get there, sucker. Wish you would get out of line. Anybody wants call outs, y'all can get it. Uh-oh. I got hydraulics on it. He hooked the radio up. His man hooked the radio up. Daryl talked to women and worked on the car a little bit. He talked to the women more than he worked on the car. Queen drive, she drive a clutch. Pump the brakes a little bit, Queen. Hit the brakes. Queen almost had a wreck. I tell y'all, Queen crazy. Hold on, Queen, pull forward. Smo, you're supposed to be doing the directing. I'm a cameraman right now. Come on, pull forward. Queen might be drunk, y'all, I don't know. You been drinking?
You got that mother boy at home.
You ain't drunk, are you?
No, I ain't drunk.
What you say? What your uncle say? I ain't drunk, but I wish I are. The big head midget supposed to be up here lined up. She had, I don't know what she, I think she had a doo-doo. What she in that doo-doo? Ducky Johnson won't run you for 5,000. He said this, he said at the Power Motorsports or whatever. You ready?
I ain't got nothing to talk about.
Ooh-wee.
I'ma show up.
Pressure, please hold on. You wreck my car, I'm gonna have a damn heart attack. I'm gonna completely fall out. I don't care if you tear up everything around here. I don't know what's wrong with Precious, y'all. I think all them damn cameras done got a blind or something. I'm waiting till I get out in the desert before I let her drive. All right, tell her to turn it off. Queen, I'm waiting till we get in the desert. I'm gonna drive it out of Vegas. We get out in the middle of the desert, I'm gonna turn you loose.
Okay.
You be listening to the radio on me and wreck my car. I ain't gotta drop insurance.
I wouldn't wreck it.
Tell them what we gonna do. Dougie Johnson.
We're gonna take Dougie Johnson's whole head off.
We're gonna beat him out of all his money.
All his money?
And then the ugly little partner here, what's his name? I can't think of his name, the little ugly one.
I don't know.
Dougie.
Little duck.
Yeah, little duck, you get ready. Something we gonna get you too.
Guess y'all heard that.
All right, tell them we're gonna meet him in Florida. Come on, mess with us.
We're gonna meet y'all in Florida, guys, March 18th through the 20th. Okay, Fountain, Florida, Powerhouse Motorsports. Come join us. All right, guys, we go.